Hello guys, Andrew here. Welcome back to Drew Tutorial. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to select languages you don't want to automatically translated on Facebook. There can be times when you want to have this set, and in this video, I'm going to walk you through the simple steps to select those languages you don't want to automatically get translated on Facebook. And especially if you know multiple languages, you may want to set this for your own convenience on Facebook. To do that, go ahead and click your account on the upper right hand side and click on settings and privacy, then click on settings again. And on the left hand side, scroll down, you will find language and region. You click on that. And here you'll be able to find posts from friends and pages. You'll have that option as the last option in the list currently, and you can just choose the language you don't want to automatically translate it. Just click on that and just start to go through the list, find the language that you want to select, and just go ahead and select those languages that you don't want to have translated. And just go ahead and click on save, guys, and that's pretty much all that you have to do.